Interesting facts about Romania from A to Z. Each letter of the alphabet represents an important aspect of Romanian culture and history. Let's begin. A is for Ardeal. Ardeal, located in Transylvania, is a region in Romania with a rich history, culture, and amazing landscapes. It is well known for its beautiful mountains, medieval castles, and towns with Saxon architecture such as Brașov, Sibiu, and Cluj-Napoca. B is for Bucharest. Bucharest is the capital and largest city of Romania. It's known for its bustling nightlife, historic landmarks, and vibrant art scene. Its most iconic structure, the Palace of Parliament, is one of the largest buildings in the world. C is for Carpathian Mountains. The Carpathian Mountains stretch across the center of Romania, creating a stunning landscape of peaks and valleys. They are home to a diverse range of wildlife, including one of the largest populations of brown bears in Europe. D is for Danube Delta. The Danube Delta is one of Romania's most impressive natural treasures. As the best preserved of Europe's deltas, it is home to over 300 species of birds and 45 species of freshwater fish. This biodiversity makes it a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. E is for Easter. Easter is one of the most important holidays in Romania. It is celebrated with a variety of traditions, including the painting of eggs in intricate patterns, attending midnight church services, and preparing special dishes such as lamb and cozonac, a kind of sweet bread. F is for Folklore. Folklore is a significant part of Romanian culture with a rich variety of myths, legends, and fairy tales. Folk dances, music, and costumes play an important role in social gatherings and festivals, and traditional crafts such as pottery and weaving are still widely practiced. G is for Galați. Galați is one of the largest cities in Romania and one of the most important ports on the Danube. It is a major hub for the shipbuilding and steel industries and a key transit point for goods to and from Western Europe. Galați also has a rich history and impressive cultural heritage, hosting various festivals, museums, and theaters. H is for Horezu ceramics. Horezu ceramics are a unique form of Romanian pottery, listed as a UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. These ceramics are characterized by their intricate designs, rich colors, and the meticulous craftsmanship involved in their creation. I is for Iron Gates. The Iron Gate is a breathtaking gorge on the Danube River that forms part of the boundary between Serbia and Romania. Its stunning scenery and archaeological sites, including the rock sculpture of Decebalus, make it a popular tourist destination. J is for Jiu Valley. The Jiu Valley, located in the southwestern part of the country, is Romania's main coal mining area. While it is known for its industrial past, it's also recognized for the natural beauty of the surrounding mountains. K is for King Michael I. King Michael I was the last king of Romania and is remembered for his efforts to maintain Romania's sovereignty during World War II. His reign ended with the establishment of the communist regime, but he remains a respected figure in Romanian history. L is for Literature. Romanian literature has a long and distinguished history, with noted authors such as Mihai Eminescu, Lucian Blaga, and Mircea Eliade contributing significantly to world literature. The country continues to produce influential writers and poets, many of whom are recognized internationally. M is for Mărțișor. Mărțișor is a traditional Romanian holiday celebrated on the first day of March, signifying the arrival of spring. It involves the giving of small talismans or ornaments, often accompanied by white and red threads symbolizing purity, life, and health. N is for Nadia Comaneci. Nadia Comaneci is one of Romania's most famous people. She is a former gymnast who won 5 Olympic gold medals and is renowned for being the first gymnast to be awarded a perfect score of 10 at the Olympics in Montreal in 1976. O is for Oltenia. Oltenia is a historical province in the southwestern part of Romania, known for its prosperous agriculture and varied landscapes, including both mountains and plains. Oltenia has a rich cultural heritage with many local traditions and customs, as well as numerous Orthodox monasteries and churches. P is for Palace of the Parliament. The Palace of the Parliament is an iconic building located in Bucharest, known for being the second largest administrative building in the world, after the Pentagon. It was built during the communist regime of Nicolae Ceausescu and serves today as the seat for the Romanian Parliament. Q is for Quercus. Quercus, or the oak tree, is an important symbol in Romanian culture featured in numerous legends and stories. The pedunculate oak is also the national tree of Romania. Traditionally, the oak tree is seen as a symbol of strength and longevity. R is for Romanians. Romanians are a Balkan people of Latin origin. They are known for their hospitality, passion for music and dance, and pride in their rich history and culture. The Romanian language, spoken by Romanians, is the only Latin language in Eastern Europe. S is for Sarmisegetusa Regia. Sarmisegetusa Regia was the capital and the most important military, religious and political center of the Dacians. Located in the Orăștie Mountains, the ruins of this ancient city represent an archaeological site of immense importance, offering a unique picture of Dacian life and culture. T is for Transylvania. Transylvania is a historical region located in the center of Romania. It is known for its beautiful landscapes, Bran Castle, also known as Dracula Castle, picturesque towns like Brașov and Sibiu, and its Hungarian ethnic minority. Transylvania has a rich history and a diverse cultural heritage. U is for the Union of the Romanian Principalities. The Union of the Romanian Principalities, also known as the Small Union, took place on January 24, 1859, when Alexandru Ioan Cuza was elected ruler both in Moldavia and Wallachia. This event marked the beginning of the formation of the modern Romanian state. V is for Vlad the Impaler. Vlad III, also known as Vlad the Impaler, or Vlad Dracula, or Vlad Țepeș, was a 15th century ruler of Wallachia, a historical region that is part of present-day Romania. He is infamously remembered for his exceptionally cruel and punitive ruling style, particularly his predilection for impaling his enemies on long, sharp stakes, a gruesome tactic that earned him his notorious nickname. His bloody reign and chilling stories about his brutal acts have been widely circulated and exaggerated, cementing his place in folklore and inspiring Bram Stoker's iconic character Count Dracula. Despite his brutal reputation, most Romanians regard Vlad Țepeș as a national hero who defended the region against Ottoman encroachment. W is for wine. Wine is an integral part of Romanian culture, with a winemaking history dating back over 2,000 years. Romania's wine regions, such as Dealul Mare, Cotnar, and Drăgășani, produce a variety of quality wines, from robust reds to delicate whites and refined sparkling wines. Romanian wines are starting to gain more recognition internationally, winning awards in important competitions. X is for xylography. Xylography is a traditional form of art in Romania, especially used in the mountainous regions. It involves carving a design into a wooden block, which is then inked and pressed onto paper. Xylographs were often used to illustrate books and documents in the past. Y is for yachting. Yachting on the Black Sea is a popular pastime in Romania with various yachting clubs and events. The Black Sea coast provides a beautiful setting for sailing, and the resorts of Mamaia and Constanța are hubs for this recreational sport. Z is for Zacuscă. Zacuscă is a traditional Romanian spread made from roasted eggplant and red peppers with onions, tomato paste and spices. It is typically prepared in autumn after the vegetable harvest and enjoyed throughout the year. It's a staple in Romanian cuisine and a symbol of Romanian hospitality. If you learned something new from this video, consider subscribing to my channel. Also, in the comment section below, tell me which place in Romania you would absolutely love to visit. Until next time, take care.